HBA compensation plan. Hi, I'm Bill Feaver, and I'm talking about the Home Business Academy's compensation plan. They have a pretty unique plan. They have 3 distinct products. 2 of them are monthly charges, and the third one is a one-time charge. So I'm going to kind of go over each of the different products quickly, tell you what their compensation plan is, and then we're going to look at that as a whole. The first product is the Funnel Builder, and also with that is called the Funnel Builder Academy, which teaches you how to use the Funnel Builder and all the many templates that are in it and the many things that you can do in there. You can create so many things. I'm just going to name a few. You can create lead pages, sales pages, webinar pages, membership pages, upsell pages, checkout pages, sales pages, launch sites, complete websites, countdown timers, analytics, and customer CRM included in that. That is for $25 a month, and as an affiliate, you can make $20 a month. So that's the first part of the compensation plan. You can make $20 on every Funnel Builder monthly plan that you sell to others. And also this Funnel Builder can be used as creating funnels for the Home Business Academy, or you can use that in any business that you have. So you can use that tool to create websites and pages for your own businesses. So the second product we have is called the HBA Premium, which is a traffic and conversion page, and this costs $125 a month, and you get an 80% commission on that, so that's $100 a month. There's a training on there to get free traffic, to also find paid traffic, to get leads, and to get sales. They've been adding things to these products over the years since 2016, and they have not raised the prices on them, and they have not decreased the percentage of compensation you can get on these products. So those are the 2 products that are monthly. Now we go to the third product. I wanted to mention on the premium product there, they also have a bunch of masterminds where you get a lot of training one-on-one by our community, by the owners, and there's a Grow Rich Mastermind Monday through Friday, which is an inspirational mastermind, and that is every day, every weekday. They have a Funnel Builder monthly training, and that's usually on the first Monday, and I think they're going to be changing that around some, but right now it's the first Monday of the month. On Saturdays, they have a new members welcome and orientation Zoom meeting, and they also have one on Wednesday in Spanish. They have workout and fitness masterminds at 8 o'clock every Eastern time, every Monday through Friday. They have a Monday night What's Working Now mastermind, where our members come on, a couple of members come on and share what they've been doing to create sales in their businesses. And then we also have a daily traffic and conversion mastermind, and questions and answers are taken at every meeting. And we also have a Freedom Fest gathering in November, which is a live meeting where you can go and actually meet each other live once a year. That's basically 11 to 13 masterminds a week, and they're pretty intense. So I wanted to share that with you. Then the third product is the HBA Financial Literacy Academy, and this tells you how to develop ways to invest in assets that create income. This academy is a one-time charge, and if you buy it in the first 72 hours of joining our community, it costs you $500, and after that it goes to $1,000. And as an affiliate, you can either make $400 on the $500 sale or $800 on the $1,000 sales, and that is a one-time charge. Now, I wanted to share with you here on my screen up here is basically the products. The 25, the 125, the 150 is what cost you a month, and then you either pay $500 or $1,000 for the financial literacy product. Then as commissions, you can get a $20 commission, $100 commission on the 125, and that's $120 a month, and then $400 or $800 on that for the one-time commission on the financial literacy package. So now I wanted to share with you, if you sold 20 funnel builders, you would get a commission of $400 a month, and the HBA Premium, if you had 20, you would get a commission of $2,000 a month. So that's with 20 sales, you'd have a $24 residual income. And say that you sold the literacy package at $500. Let's see, what did I do? I think that I just told that 10 at $400, so that's $4,000. And that would be a total income for that month of $6,400. Well, that's a little high maybe. So let's change it around. Let's make this up here 25 and see what we got. 25 sales, and then let's cut this down to 5. Okay, so now you have $500 in the $20 commissions for the month, and then you'd have $2,500 for a $3,000 commission, and then you made an extra $2,000 on the $400 sales for a total of $5,000. Let's keep going. Say you've been working at this for a year and you sold two a month. That's going to be 104. So let's just go with 100 sales and see what you got. And 100, and say you convert 10% of the 100, so you got 10 sales here. But let's say that they're let's go from there. So now you have $2,000, you have $10,000 here, so you have $12,000 and an extra $4,000, so you've made $16,000. $16,000 a month times, let's go 16,000 times 12. Let's see, 16,000 times 12. You're going to be looking at $192,000 a year, roughly, if you can average that. So that, you see how it grows pretty quickly if you work hard at it. And you can keep building on that, and you can be running other businesses while you work on that. And you can get other streams of income. So, but basically with this gives you an idea of the power of the HBA compensation plan that I wanted to share with you. And I want to tell you that I've been working at this. I have made not that kind of money. I'm not that good a seller, but there are people that are selling way better than me on this and making way more money on this. And so I wanted to share that with you, and we'll talk to you on the next video. Thank you.